The chicken ready for the oven. A few little cakes there, look, Aisha's made. Those are the potatoes. I just left soaking in a bit of warm water and a bit of the turmeric. Now, there we have the chicken, look. So what I do with that, I'll put 2 pieces of garlic inside, 2 pieces of lemon, and a sprig of rosemary. There you go, like that. Then put the taters around. Like that. And I get my olive oil. Garlic, chuck that in anywhere, look. Paper and all, doesn't matter. Salt. And pepper. There you go, plenty of olive oil. And that's it. We're ready for the off. I might even put a little drop of paprika on top. Just give it a nice bit of colour, eh? There you go. Okay. Oh, got some carrots and sliced spring greens. So they'll go with that, they will. Okay, and I'll show you that later on.